Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly advancing, and one of its most exciting applications is in robotics. AI-powered robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable of performing a wide range of tasks. From manufacturing to healthcare, AI robots are revolutionizing industries worldwide. In this video, we'll explore the future of AI-powered robots and how they will shape our lives. Let's delve into the exciting possibilities and challenges that lie ahead. Part 1. Advanced Manufacturing. AI-powered robots are transforming manufacturing processes. They can perform tasks with greater precision and speed than humans. AI-enabled robots can work collaboratively with human workers, improving efficiency. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advanced manufacturing robots in the future. This will lead to increased productivity and higher quality products. Part 2. Healthcare. AI-powered robots are making significant contributions to the healthcare industry. They can assist with surgeries, provide patient care, and even deliver medication. AI-enabled robots can improve patient outcomes and reduce the workload of healthcare professionals. In the future, we may see AI-powered robots performing more complex medical procedures. This could revolutionize healthcare and make it more accessible. Part 3. Service industry. AI-powered robots are also making their mark in the service industry. They can greet customers, answer questions, and even take orders. AI-enabled robots can provide personalized customer service experiences. In the future, we may see AI-powered robots working as receptionists, waiters, and even personal assistants. This will change the way we interact with businesses and services. Part 4. Home assistants. AI-powered robots are becoming increasingly common in homes. They can perform household chores such as cleaning and cooking. AI-enabled robots can also provide companionship and assistance to the elderly. In the future, we may see AI-powered robots that can learn and adapt to our individual needs. This could make our homes more comfortable and convenient. Part 5. Ethical considerations. As AI-powered robots become more advanced, it is important to consider the ethical implications. Issues such as job displacement, privacy, and safety must be addressed. It is crucial to develop ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI-powered robots. By doing so, we can ensure that AI benefits society as a whole. The future of AI-powered robots is bright, but it is important to approach it with care. Conclusion. The future of AI-powered robots is full of promise. These machines have the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our lives. However, it is important to approach the development and use of AI-powered robots with caution. By addressing the ethical challenges and working together, we can create a future where humans and robots can coexist harmoniously. The future of AI-powered robots is in our hands.